Harlow stand comes in several different sizes. They're really terrific. It has an opening, a receptacle into which we can use all different kinds of glass. This particular piece, this design, has been created on Harlow stand, the tallest one, with the Harlow glass bowl. And it has the glass bowl, as you can see, it has that shape, that size that just actually fits very snugly on top of that stand so that it's very, very stable. But the key thing that's really wonderful about these stands is the fact that it's got a very solid base, these rods that are very solid that you can then attach so that you can create a design not just sitting on top, but it can then, by use of, in this case, kiwi vine, create a flow downwards so that it becomes a very big arrangement. Now, in this particular design, we just have water in there, orchid plant planted along the side, and actually supported with a kiwi vine, and the tillandsia just sitting laid in there. So it's a very simple placement of two plants with a little bit of foliage, the whaleback on that side, accented with the seashell sphere, which is fantastic. They come in two sizes. There's that one to anchor that side of the arrangement, and then there's this side here, which then if we set it right into this area, complements it very, very nicely from top to bottom. It completes that design beautifully. There's also a little bit of passion vine worked in there, so it's got that very natural growing horticultural beautiful piece that lasts for a long time because it's a living plant mostly in that arrangement. Now, what I want to show you are some of the other options of containers that could be used in there, because it's a world of a lot of possibilities. So this stand also can hold the Bella, which is that cone glass, fits very nicely in there. Now that, coupled with one of these ball at the base, that creates a very wonderful composition, the ball, the cone, and then the design. And then maybe even that design may have another accent of the seashell ball in there as well. So that makes for a very nice presentation. As well, you can also go to Chateau, which is another glass that's been designed to fit, so it has that neck. And that also fits in there very nicely and very, very solid. So again, you can go upright, downwards, so on and so forth. This one here also can accommodate a rota, so that really you can use it like this and then have something that goes very high through this, that creating that tight neck in here. So that's also a possibility. And another possibility may be that you might use just a sphere, just an orb made out of foam, and they then may be placed here, wetted down, and if you design into it with, say, a row of roses here, then there's no way it's going to push down, and then underneath you have something to design into as well, so you can do something here and then underneath, and it has that lip for this to sit on, so it's very, very secure. So there's just so many different possibilities with the Harlow stands, and so it's just a wonderful creative concept that you can develop with this particular product.